That's a really good news. Talagang good news po na meron na tayong power doon sa Cebu. Hi guys, this is Koy Samson. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, this is Koy Stabson. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, mangusta ko sa inyo guys kung unsa na nahitabo nato gikan sa pagbisita ni Odette. Grabe kaayo guys. So okay ba sa akong i-content kay I know everybody is affected. Like we have no lights, we have no electricity, and we have no power. Even though malayo ako sa Cebu guys, pero affected din ako dahil nandun yung anak ko. Every day, hirap talaga silang mag-communicate sa akin ng dahil sa signal. At saka on the day sa bagyo, I mean sa kasagsagan ng bagyo, it's like 3 a.m. here in California, and then 10 p.m. sa Pilipinas hanggang 1 a.m. hanggang nawala yung signal doon sa Pilipinas. Nagmo-monitor ako sa anak ko. Okay naman sila, wala namang masyadong damage sa bahay, sa lugar namin. Pero guys, yung mga kapitbahay namin talagang wala lahat, as in wala lahat yung I cannot imagine, I cannot say how devastated it was. So the whole Cebu, Leyte, Bohol, Surigao, everything was devastated. So guys, also in this content, I will update you sa electricity ng Cebu. Kasi good news guys, as I speaking right now, meron ng mga lugar sa Cebu na merong power. That's a really good news. Talagang good news po na meron na tayong power doon sa Cebu. Not all, but merong lugar doon. Isasabi ko sa inyo mamaya. At saka, I will read to you the updates of the Visayan Electric Company. So may daily update sila guys. So i-update ko rin kayo sa daily update nila kung ano-ano ng mga party ng Cebu na may power. And also guys, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga supporters ko, lahat ng mga supporters ng Visayan Vlog Squad. Dahil kahit all of us apektado tayo, nandun pa rin tayo sa isa't isa. Like, nandun pa rin tayo to support each other. So thank you so much. Hindi ko na mababanggit kasi ang dami nyo. So thank you so much na andyan pa rin kayo na sumusuporta sa amin. So ayan guys, ito na po ang update ng Visayan Electric Company. So sa isang araw guys, 3 beses silang nag-a-update. So that is so great para malaman natin kung ano na ang update ng ating power restoration. So ito po yung sinasabi nila sa kanilang first update noong December 19, 2021. Sabi nila, sharing with you updates of Visayan Electric's restoration effort as of 3 p.m. of December 19, 2021. Our clearing and restoration terms are working 24/7 to bring back power as soon as possible. So sub-transmission lines, 35.48% cleared. Substation, 100% cleared. Primary distribution line, 27.01% cleared. So that's a very good news guys. So sabi nila dito, we thank you for your patience and understanding in these times of difficulties. To report lining or broken pools and lines, you may contact our customer hotline at 230-8326 or send us your message at the official Electric Facebook and Twitter pages. These customer touchpoints are available 24/7. So sabi nila dito guys, be ready with your account number, meter number, pole number when reporting emergencies. So yan yung first update nila as of December 19, 2021. Ayan guys, yung second update ng Visayan Electric Company is, sabi nila dito, help is here. So merong tumutulong sa atin guys doon sa Visayan Electric Company. So sabi nila, organic and contractor lineman from sister company in Davao Light and Power Corporation have arrived in Visayan Electric Engineering Office. The 30-strong team will help in clearing emergency restoration in Visayan Electric franchise areas. So I would like to shout out Davao Light Power Corporation. Thank you so much for sending your men. Thank you so much for helping Visayan Electric Company na mapadali po ang ating pag-restoration ng power. So thank you so much, Davao Light Power Corporation. Thank you. So guys, bago ako natulog kagabi, meron silang third update na talagang ikinatutuwa nating lahat. Sabi nila, power is back. Oh my God, thank you so much. We have successfully energized the following areas with 18 MW supply of Cebu Private Power Corporation. Portions of V. Rama Avenue and B. Rodriguez Streets. Meron na silang electricity doon guys sa portion na yon. And sabi nila dito guys, we would like to emphasize that energization will patronize hospitals, MCWD pumping station, other vital installation, and other loads cleared from energization. Energization of other areas will follow as soon as we get additional power from the grid. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Visayan Electric Company. So guys, so they will make sure that hospitals and the MCWD pumping station, sila yung mauuna guys. So yeah, that is very important. That's an essential na sila talaga yung mauuna, yung hospitals at saka MCWD, para meron na tayong tubig. Kasi I know lahat nagla-line guys. So sabi ng anak ko, they have lined the drinking water from 8 a.m. to 5 a.m. pero hindi pa nila nakuha yung bottle nila. So babalikan nila the next day. Babalikan niya the next day para makuha nila yung bottle nila. So it's very hard sa water guys, kahit may pera ka pa doon, water is very hard. So hoping na meron na tayong water in the next days. So meron ding update, meron din sabi ng Electric Visayan Company, libreng tubig sa Visayan Electric available kada adlaw dinhi sa J. Pani Street, Manilad, Cebu City, gikan alas 8 hangtod sa alas 10 sa buntag, nya balik na sad hangtod alas 3 sa hapon hangtod alas 6 sa gabi. Magtinabangay kita karong panahuna, amping kanunay. Thank you so much, Visayan Electric Company, for these updates. Guys, I will be giving you updates from Visayan Electric Company every day as much as possible. So, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you so much. This is Koy Stobbs. Bye!